got some thick leg muscles. Them leg muscles be thick. But it's so nice out today. It's been nice out the past couple of days. Blue skies.
Tomorrow.
It's supposed to rain.
I think so. Tomorrow's Saturday. I think it's 12.
Hi, Momo. Hi. I'm gonna put my hoodie on so I don't get ants in my hair, and I'm just gonna. Whoa. Oh! Hi.
This is my job. This is my job. You lay down. I'm supposed to be coming.
Oh no! Jesus Christ!
This is my job.
You're heavy. I'm so good. I'm so lovely. Oh, yeah, there's a dog. Shit. Stay over here. Yeah, because that dog's not on a leash.
And your feet feathery.
Yeah. Probably best to move now. Leave it. Come on. We're gonna go the other way. Let's go. This way. There you go. Okay, go. Ah, let's go. Now. Let's go. Thank you. Good girl. Where are you?
You have a little dog.
Where? Where?
Right there.
Oh, yeah, that's the people who let their dog off on a free lead. They didn't have their dog on a leash. So. Here. Good girl. Let's go. I couldn't tell whether or not this golden retriever was pet friendly or not, as it came charging at us, and then it started growling and it was play bowing, but then when Mooncake didn't play bow back, it started having some really aggressive body language towards us. And you guys can see that lady right there with her dog. It was off leash. It's running over here. Saw Mooncake heading towards us. I tried to call the dog back. The dog didn't want to listen. So, yeah. And there's another dog over there too, off leash. This is not a off-leash dog park. Dogs have to be on leashes because of things like this. These are hiking trails. Mama, we're not going down there. Come on. And stuff like this. So dogs cannot be off leash, or they might get lost. They might fall down a hill. They could get seriously injured. And then we had an incident yesterday in regards to this lady who let her dog off of a leash. She still had a leash on, but she wasn't holding it. Looked like a chow chow. Not chow. Looked like a Pomeranian. Pomeranian fur on the body of an Inu. It was all fat. It was severely overweight. And the dog came charging at us. Owner's yelling, it's friendly, but you know, my definition of friendly is different from their definition of friendly. My definition of friendly is Mooncake, able to get along with any shape, size of dog. Any age, doesn't matter. Puppy, elder, doesn't matter. Other people's definition of friendly, my dog growls at you means that she wants to play with you. That's unacceptable behavior. That's not how your dog should act to play with another dog. Mooncake, what are you? Get out of there! Get out! Look, this dog's all the way over here, and its owner is over here somewhere. Like, are you kidding me?
And I couldn't tell if it was
Are you serious?
he or she, but She's not even paying attention to
Not even paying attention at all to where the dog is. Look, they're over here. Where is your dog, sir? Where is your dog? I cannot believe, like, where is his dog? They're not paying attention in the slightest to where their dog is. Whether or not their dog is following them. This is absurd. They're over here getting in the car. Where's your dog? Oh, there it is.
Is Mooney done up?
Not yet. And this dog looks old. This dog looks very old. At least its face does. Oh no, you see it? There it is. He's just left the car door open, left the trunk open. Meanwhile, this dog's just trotting behind him. No leash, nothing. There's his dog. While there are cars moving in the parking lot, just wandering around. That is inappropriate. I don't care how old you are. I don't care if you have a disability or not. Your dog should not be walking through a parking lot that is active by itself.
Is she?
Enjoying being outside. There's a cat. This fat mess of a cat. He's cute. Momo, be nice. Mooncake, you're so mean. Oh my goodness. You two are so mean to each other. Alright, you guys ready to go in? Merlin, I gotta put your sister down for a nap. Merlin. Merlin, are you hiding under the chair? Get out underneath the chair before you get ticks. Come on. Come on, in. Good girl. You, Missy, come here.